Dia Taka Hotlo, Riyachok Namaskar Janaisu. I wish you all a very happy 73rd Republic Day. Dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Deputy Speaker Sir, Respected Colonel Surendra Chaudhary, CEO 9 Assam Rifles, Honorable ZPC, ZPMs, all the HODs, and my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. Today as I stand in front of you, there are many good news to share. First of all, Changlang district has won the Best City Award in Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. Congratulations to Juda. Just yesterday, our very own SP Changlang and ADC Miao have won gold medals by the state government on the occasion of Republic Day. Colonel Surendra Chaudhary, CEO of 9 Assam Rifles, has brought laurels to the entire battalion and us all by getting unit citation from the Army Chief on Army Day. And Vishisht Seva Medal just yesterday. Our district is also the number one performer in TB, tuberculosis elimination in the entire state, and we are fourth best in achieving sustainable development goals. With so many good news ongoing, I am sure we are doing something right. Three most important reasons which I think are there. First is a good team led by all the HODs. Then we have public representatives who give their wholehearted support. And last but not the least, we have the general public which is cooperative and working together with us. Health and education are fulcrum of social development. In last 1 year, we have achieved a lot in health sector. Even as Omicron and Delta variants have wreaked havoc. We have a network of 108 ambulance ready for any emergency. And now with the support of our honorable MLAs, we provide instant money to all the ASHA workers so that they bring delivery women to the hospital. Under Anemia Mukt Changlang, 8,000 Anganwadi children and 12,000 school children are receiving twice a week iron folic supplement. We are also having now free ultrasound and CHC Miao and district hospital. Many different sub-centers have been revived which were previously closed, like Longran, Livang, Bijoypur, Lungpang. I would exhort all the medical teams to keep fighting as Corona warriors. And I am sure with days to come, you will bring lot of laurels and good wishes for the district. When it comes to education, in 2017 National Achievement Survey, Changlang was lowest performing district. Focus was on primary school children. अगर छोटे बच्चे ही पढ़ना लिखना नहीं समझेंगे तो उनको आगे जाके पढ़ाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. It is foundational literacy and numeracy. To address this, we started merging Anganwadis with primary schools. पिछले 6 महीने में 51 प्रीफैब्रिकेटेड आंगनवाड़ीज को बनाया गया पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में स्कूल प्रीमाइसेस के अंदर. वहां पे वो बच्चे स्कूल के बच्चों के साथ मिड डे मील खाते हैं और आशा वर्कर और स्कूल के टीचर मिलके काम करते हैं. इसके साथ कई जगहों पे फाउंडेशनल लिटरेसी को लेके हमने टीच फॉर इंडिया फेलोज के साथ भी काम किया. स्टूडेंट्स practical experience. This is how Newton discovered gravity when he saw an apple falling from the tree. To revive science labs, we started innovation lab in Government Higher Secondary School Changlang. Very soon, A similar lab will be started in Kharsang. Of course, because of pandemic, schools are closed. Education has suffered. But this is where youths have come to help us. In last year, August, 450 students volunteered. They were mainly graduates who were sitting at home when schools were closed, when colleges were closed. They started teaching primary school students at the village level. This shows that with community involvement and people support, even in times like pandemic, we can achieve a lot. Libraries are temple of learning. And unfortunately, in Arunachal, many are lying defunct or unused. Working with Uncle Musa of Lohit district, who received Padma Shri just last year, we were able to revive 5 libraries and re-engage children. Most important is to make library fun and an interesting place. Not a boring place with dull and text-heavy books. I request all HODs, and this has been done successfully in Longning. So we have an example in front of us. I request all HODs to adopt one school each. Inculcate habits of reading, practical science, and understanding concepts.
And the cash prize along with the certificate is 2,500. Next, Mr. Talom Kabi, HDO, Kimya.
धरती है रांझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बन के मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
गलवा